Subscribe the channel and press bell icon. Who is called father of computer? Answer: Charles Babbage. Who is the founder of Facebook? Answer: Mark Zuckerberg. What is the full form of RAM? Answer: Random Access Memory. The father of internet is? Answer: Van Gogh. 1 kilobyte is equal to how many bytes? Answer: 1024 bytes. What is the full form of www on is internet? World Wide Web. What is the full form of ATM? Answer: Automatic Teller Machine. What is the full form of MPS? Answer: Switch Mode Power Supply. In Windows XP, what does XP stand for? Answer: Experience. How many MBs makes 1 GB? Answer: 1024 MB. The first page of website is called the? Answer: home page. In internet terminology, IP means Internet Protocol. What is the full of virus? Virtual Information Resource Undersize. Which company is nicknamed Big Blue? IBM. Answer: Which electronic component was used in first generation of computers? Answer: vacuum tube. Full form of BIOS is? Answer: Basic Input Output System. Which command is used to paste a text or files? Answer: Ctrl+V. The process find error in software code is called? Answer: debugging. DOS stand for Disk Operating System. The device used to carry digital data on analog line is called as? Answer: modulator. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon.